Hi everyone, welcome to Crypto News Beat. Do subscribe to get news and updates from crypto world. We are discussing about blockchain technology and cryptocurrencies. Blockchain technology can be described as a system which has an immutable ledger to record information and transactions in a way that nobody can hack or steal. This information is distributed across the entire network which is linked on the blockchain. This latest technology is used for various purposes such as developing applications that have the capacity to support thousands of transactions per second. Hackers won't be able to make manipulation or steal the information as this technology has a powerful system to prevent from fraudulent attempts. The information is shared or recorded on every block in the blockchain. As the world advances, the technology also gets advanced. Thousands of new applications are being created on different blockchains. We could expect the acceptance of blockchain technology by different countries in the coming future. 2 days back, the country El Salvador has accepted Bitcoin as their native official currency. When the crypto experts are so optimistic about the future of blockchain technology, Indian crypto enthusiasts also eagerly waiting for its advancement in the country. Meanwhile, a positive vibe came from India's southern state, Andhra Pradesh, that the government is embracing blockchain technology to further advance the state's development. While there are many advantages on using blockchain technology, many people are still pessimistic about its use. A country's development lies upon the latest technology and its implementation, which has to be done on time. Imagine of a world wherein people can make transactions with a single payment system, which is accepted everywhere. Tourists who travel from one country to another can make transactions without changing their native currencies. Recently, news portals have flooded with the word cryptocurrency. Simply put it as a digital or virtual money that can be used in a form of virtual coin or token. These can be used to make transactions. Thousands of such coins are available in the virtual world. Every coin is designed on the blockchain technology. Bitcoin is first of its kind, which is a decentralized digital currency that was invented in the year 2008. Bitcoin has been a matter of public discussion over the past 10 years. Similarly, the emergence of such other decentralized altcoins also made the discussion of blockchain technology so popular. Ethereum is the second largest cryptocurrency by market cap. One of the key features of Ethereum is its smart contracts, on which many companies are developing decentralized applications. 27-year-old Vitalik Buterin is the founder of Ethereum. He launched Ethereum with Gavin Wood and others, such as Charles Hoskinson and so on. Vitalik was only 19 years old at the time of its launch. Apart from that, Cardano, ADA has been in the discussion of crypto enthusiasts across the world. It is the fifth top cryptocurrency with the market cap. Cardano also plans to start smart contracts very soon. One of the co-founders of Ethereum, Charles Hoskinson, is the founder of Cardano. It is known as the third generation blockchain and its cryptocurrency is known as ADA, which is created in a most secured software language. ADA is one of the cryptocurrencies everyone in the crypto world discussing about. Experts say that the price of ADA would increase as its smart contracts start. Recently, Ethiopian education minister had confirmed their decision to partner with Cardano blockchain. Since it is a third generation cryptocurrency, it has a powerful mechanism to process the work.